Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. If this today is your first time of coming to my channel, please kindly do me the favor by hitting the subscribe button, put on the notification bell so that anytime I drop an amazing content like this, you'll be among the first that's going to be notified by YouTube. And please kindly share so that other people can get to see this strategy and make money from it. Today I'm just going to show you a very unique and simple strategy which many of you seems not to know about. And for those of you who even have idea about something like that, maybe you still don't get it right at times. And also to show you some secret, please make sure you watch this video to the end because there are so many information I'm going to give here within this short period. Don't worry because you are seeing me using laptop. Don't get discouraged. I'm still going to go to my mobile phone and do the same thing. But I just want to explain from this point because I have something to show you here. Very important. So please make sure you stick to this. Stick to the end of this video. You can't afford to lose it or miss it. Now this is crash 1000. This applies to every pair, both the every pair as much as it's synthetic indices on deriv. First thing, I like to put my chart in a very neat shape, so I'll just change some things quickly. My foreground to be purple, bar down I like it to be red, bull candle green, bear candle red. Okay, I think that is all. Now good, this allow I like how my chart to look like. This Fibonacci strategy is very simple and unique. Very simple and unique. Some people take trades at the wrong time because they don't know what price is doing. But today I will show you a secret. Now, let's assume you open your chart. Always make sure that when you open your chart, start from the higher time frame, at least the minimum of 1 hour time frame. If you are a daily trader or a scalper, start from 1 hour time frame so that you'll be able to see the movement of price and you'll be able to make decision based on what price is doing. So in this Fibonacci level, we want to track 3 things out. 1, we want to identify area of break of structure. 2, we want to see if price is getting to an area of interest such as support and resistance. Then 3, we want to see a breakout towards our prediction. Either if you are predicting price to move up, you want to see a breakout towards upside. If possible, want to see a retest. So these are the things we are going to be looking for. If all these things happen, then it means we are good to go. Fine. Now, before I highlight the Fibonacci, before I put the Fibonacci, now I want to identify area of break of structure, possible break of structure. Here is 1 hour time frame. This applies to all the time frame. Sometimes you can catch this move on 5 minutes. If that of 5 minutes is over, go to 15 minutes. You can also catch it on 15 minutes. And if 15 minutes is over, go to 30 minutes. In fact, down to 4 hours. So this is the secret you don't know about trading, especially on deriv. That is why you are losing. So today now, you need to pay attention so that you get it. So we want to identify area of BOS. Okay. We can say here is a break of structure. If you don't know how to identify a break of structure, that's why you have to stick to this video because there's a secret I'm going to show you. A very unique secret. So here is one. Now I want to plot it very well so that our last bearish bullish candle will be showing. Okay. Here is area of interest. Here is one of the area of interest. Then you can see again, here's another BOS. I think this one should be for 30 minutes, this second one. So I think we've identified break of structure because you can see that zone was acting as support before. For those of you who understand the support, resistance and support, sorry, let me clean it properly. For those of you who understand the support and resistance theorem, so that place was acting as support and resistance before price broke below it. So that is one. We've identified our break of structure. The next thing now is we want to identify are we to be buying? Is it ripe? Is it time for us to take a buy on this 1 hour? So let's see if it's possible. Let me quickly put our Fibonacci so that we identify if it's possible for us to take it by. Alright, this is our highest point and this is our lowest point. You know, when you are doing your Fibonacci, you focus on your area of the area of the highest place price got to. Okay, now we've highlighted it. So now this is where the level 23.6 matters. For every trader, you should know that what price is doing currently. Sorry, this is my, I think I overstretched it. Okay, it's okay like this. For those of you who have been going and attending one class or the other, you should know that what price is doing at this point was more or less like ranging. So for you to know that price is due for you to take a buy, level 23.6 will be the one to tell you. That is where the breakout comes in. Now, if price goes above, let me extend this Fibonacci so that you see things properly. Good. If price breaks above this level 23.6 here, if price breaks above it, this red candle here becomes our other bearish block. This becomes our other bearish block. So you can take your buy at immediately it closes. That means when this 1 hour candle close above this level 23.6, you can take your buy. Then if you are the type that always wait for further confirmation, that is retracement, that means you want to see, okay, price has closed above here, one. Next thing you want to see price retrace back to this zone, this last bearish candle. You should come into that block, then close above it before you take your buy. There are traders like that. They will tell you, except price come to retest here, I won't take my buy. They are traders. It's part of the trading principles. So in some cases it will do as you expect, while some cases it will just continue going depending on the volume or the pressure on the buy order, on the buy, on depending on the pressure the buyers are bringing in. So if it goes and it doesn't retrace, it doesn't mean your strategy doesn't work. No, it's just that price do whatever it chooses to do. Sure you get now, guys. Price determine which way and how it wants to do its things. So it doesn't mean that you are missing it. So some trader will tell you until price come to that zone, retrace it before they take their order. Now when you take your order or buy order here, what do? You put your stop loss below this Fibonacci, at least few pips below it, so that if price should not later go in your favor, your loss will not be much. You get it now? You just be losing $1 or $1 plus compared to somebody who's losing $10 who took a trade at the wrong point. So you put your stop loss below. Reverse is the case for sell. If you are taking a sell, if you want to take a sell, the same way we set it up now, your 23 should be at the top side. So it is when price close below it, not above now, below it for sell order. Then you can wait for retracement if possible. Then you use your order block to exit. Now, if you are using this strategy, your 2 point of exit should be, consider your level 38.2 or level 50 as your exit point. If I should take my order now, my level 50 is going to be my exit point, because that is where price is going to feel there are imbalances, but the imbalances is more at level 38.2. So price has to feel, you can see there's huge imbalance. That means price has to come back and fill up to this other block here, which is this one. Then if price want to push higher, price will come to my level 50. So you see, it's in between level 50 and level 38.2. That is where price is going to go to. Yeah, gets to. So that is why you need to understand the strategy. It's very unique. If you know how to use it, you won't be making losses. Out of 100%, you'll be making at least 90 to 95% profit with this strategy. Like I said, don't worry, I'm going to do the mobile setup. I'm going to explain it with mobile phone. Don't panic. I have a reason why I took you guys down to this using my system, because I want to show you something. For those of you who have laptop, there's something I want to show you, and it's going to marvel you. So that's why you need to watch this video till the end. And if you are enjoying it, kindly give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, if you are not subscribed, kindly subscribe so that whenever I post any other music content like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. So as I was saying, we want to see price come above and the price will trace down to this point. So when the price close above that, then we take our buy order and hold it up to level 50, or if possible you can hold it a bit higher above level 38.2. So the profit range, this can give you up to $4, $5 per trade, because this is 1 hour time frame. Yeah, this is 1 hour time frame. So if you're using 30 minutes, you can, this one is specifically for the time frame that gives you the setup. You get it now. If it's 5 minutes time frame that gives you the setup, use it on time 5 minutes. But before then, check the break of structure on 1 hour. We're going to use it on 5 minutes. First, go and check where is the break of structure in 1 hour, because that is where price may likely go and retest before it go back. That means it might visit that other block in that 1 hour. So make sure you check it. Is that clear? Or if you are too scared, you can use 30 minutes. Then you go to 5 minutes and take your order. Sometimes what I do is when I notice this kind of move, I check 1 hour and everything aligns with what 5 minutes is giving me. What is going to show that what 5 minutes is giving me is my Fibonacci will tell me. Fibonacci will give you 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. Your Fibonacci, the Fibonacci setup will look alike. It will look alike, telling you it's going to be filling it batch by batch. This is a strategy you can't afford to lose. That's why I say you should stick to this video, guys. So the Fibonacci will give you a unique setup ranging from 5 minutes down to 1 hour, if possible to 4 hours. So it means you can hold it. This is how you can indirectly do swing trading. So when you notice it, you can hold it for 5 minutes and see it till it accomplishes down to 4 hours before you definitely exit the market. But for just quick scrapping off for a particular time frame, you can use it. So any time frame that gives you the setup, use it on that time frame. Then you're out of the market. So like I said, we just want price. Now if you open it, you might be taking risk. Price might decide to not break out and continue going down, or range here within some time before it finally break out. So this is the strategy. Remember that we have how many things in place. We want to see BOS, break of structure. We want to see price get to area of interest, support zone. We want to see a breakout using the Fibonacci level, because Fibonacci 23.6 is the one that will tell you, okay, price has broken out. Do you want a retest? If you want a retest, the last bearish or bullish candle that lead to that breakout, highlight it. See price come to that point. When price close above it, then you take your order. Is that clear? Then you anticipate on either the level 50 or level 38.2 of your Fibonacci as your exit. Is that clear, guys? So that is all about this unique strategy. Please go and practice it. You won't be losing money again. Never. Now, I told you that if you are new and all these things is still complicating, or you don't have the knowledge of how you can place or highlight all these things, I have a software that my students use, and then that software will, even though you are a new person to the trading platform, it will help you to do it. All it does is it will highlight it for you. So it is yours is to wait for when price get to where you want price to get to, then you place trade. That is all. So you won't be the one to be using your Fibonacci to mark. You won't be the one to be looking for break of structure. You won't be the one to be looking for imbalance. You won't be the one to look for support and resistance. It will give you all what you want. And let me show you how it looks like. You can see it now. All these things here, I just put them on this chart. So anytime I open the chart, it will be the chart that will tell me if it is. So this is a complete package. Everything you need to have for price to move, where spike will come, where you are going to start trading, everything is in this system. It's not a bot, no, it's not robot. And if you are new, don't try using robot to trade on derivative. You will never make good profit. If you make profit today, the following day you are going to lose it. You are going to lose it, guys. You are going to lose it. So this is the strategy I have in place. If you are interested, this is full package. If I want to see imbalance area now, I don't need to start using my eyes. I just click an icon, a tool here. You see it has highlighted the area of imbalance for me. Can you see, guys? So I don't need all that. And if I want to, there are other things. When you join or you want to get it, just my number is in the description below. Check the description below for my number. Chat me up on WhatsApp and let me know your just tell me whatever you want to tell me there, then we continue from there. So now for the mobile people, let me show you from the mobile setup. Okay guys, welcome to the mobile chat settings. Now this is how your mobile phone looks like for those of you who are using mobile phone. So how can you do this on your mobile phone if you don't have a laptop or you are not you don't have those softwares? Okay, this is how you do it. Immediately you identify price movement like this is the crash 1000 and this is 1 hour time frame. So for you to do your quick setup, let me slant the phone so that I will show you how you set it up in the flow. Now this is what you do. First thing is you've seen a break of, for those of you who understand break of structure, you know that there's definitely a break of structure. So before let's quickly highlight area of break of structure. Let's highlight those areas where you notice price broke structure. Okay, on 1 hour time frame it was here. So we have a break of structure there. Then I think we still have one other place where we got a break of structure. That is for the 30 minutes time frame, which is this point. That is the last bearish candle. I'm going to zoom up, don't worry. If you are not seeing it clearly, I'm going to zoom up. So I just want to highlight it. Okay, we've highlighted the break of structure. Now let's bring in the Fibonacci. So Fibonacci, yes, Fibonacci retracement. This is our swing high. That was where price got to last before it started dropping. If you are new to this strategy, it might be difficult for the first time, but don't worry, keep trying it. You get to understand and know how to do it better. Okay, I think we've highlighted those areas already. We've done that. Okay, perfect. Now you can see how it looks like in my chart, right? So like what I told you, that this is how it's going to look like. So even though you have that system in place, maybe you finally got it, for those of you who are going to be interested, you can just, every time you highlight it in your, you can just check your system early in the morning before going to office or anywhere, then highlight those areas where it's marked for you, then you put it like this. Sure, you get what I'm saying now? You highlight those areas like this, because the system one will do it automatically. You are just going to copy it on your mobile phone. That is all. So when you highlight it like this, you can be in your office, in your place of work. So anytime you check and you notice that the conditions are met, you place your order. It doesn't mean you have to carry your laptop along or take it in fact, you don't need to be. Then if you don't have a laptop but you want to get the system, there's another way we do it, but it's going to cost you some kind of a little token of money aside purchasing the system. What you do is that you're going to subscribe to what we call the VPS. On this VPS, it's just like a laptop. So it's monthly subscription. When you subscribe for it, you have it. Then the whole setup will look like laptop. So you set it on your mobile phone. Then anytime you are in place of work, so you don't have laptop, but from your VPS, you can see you can read what the chart is giving. Then you can copy it on your main chart. Then you check anytime, any day. So it's as simple as I don't have to be buying signals elsewhere or be looking for somebody to ask you to come to social class. Just understand how to use the softwares. That is all. So I think this is the mobile setup. You can see it's similar to what we have on our laptop, right? So we already know where we want to see price get to and want to see retracement and whatsoever. So this is how it is. I believe this video has enlightened you more on what to do. Please, if you are yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe. I just got to beg you. I really need to grow this channel for people to get this information. So it is those of you who are watching now that can do that for me. Subscribe, share, put your comment on the comment section. Then make sure you put on your notification bell so that anytime I post an amazing content like this, you'll be among the first that's going to be notified by YouTube. And then please just promote this channel for me, please, so that I can be able to keep doing all these things. Hello guys, thanks, and stay blessed.